pour yourself a glass of sweet tea and get ready to step back in time as we explore an icon of Charleston architecture, the Charleston Single. Hi, I'm Tyler Wright-Friedman, founder of Walk Talk Charleston. Come along with me as I take you through the history of this Holy City staple. Dating back to the 1700s, the Charleston Single can still be found lining most streets on the peninsula. Its design is thought to have been influenced by architecture brought over by early settlers from Barbados. What makes this style so unique to Charleston and what gives them the name Single House is the orientation of a long, narrow home built along a thin lot, essentially a detached row house. A traditional single house is typically only one room wide and features a piazza, or covered porch. The piazza would be located on the side of the home facing south or west to provide shade and a cool breeze, offering relief from the summer heat. Solid shutters were placed on the first floor to keep out the stench of horse and carriages. It's thought window boxes originated for this same purpose. As with any Charlestonian building built before 1865, it is likely that most historic single homes were built with enslaved labor. It's their skilled craftsmanship we often admire in these old buildings all around our city. Today, the Single House remains a cherished symbol of Charleston's history. Please stop by for a full walk and talk tour next time you're downtown. See you soon.